Kami diri sa town of Hagna, Bohol. This is the market of Hagna. Planning to go to Camiguin. This is their ticketing office. There. I believe from here, port of Hagna going to Camiguin Island will take you 4 hours. I'm not sure how much is the ticket, but you can ask here. There. That is the port. If you want to buy pasalubong, you can buy here. Since it's early in the morning, not all of the stores are open. So there. Welcome to Hagna Baywalk. So, this is their baywalk. So, yung nakita nyo sa drone. Gaya nga nasabi ko, yun yung Port of Hagna. And then, if makikita nyo, malapit na siya sa, ang town of Hagna is malapit na siya sa Camiguin. So, if you can see, akala nyo, malapit lang yan. No, it will take you 4 hours from here going to Camiguin via light ferries. Additionally pala is not only Hagna to Camiguin, is also meron din from here is going to CDO. I'm not sure kung meron pang iba. Comment na lang sa section below. And this is the Hagna Wet Market. Let's go. Ito, company.
Ano mo?
Anong isda po ito?
Maya-maya.
Malaking snapper. Maya-maya. Grouper.
Nalambana.
Ano po ito? Tanigi?
Lambana, lambana.
Wala lang is sulit. Bangsi. 140. 140 bibili natin. Ito. Ha? Ito ako na yung kon. So is that. Nahin muna natin yung mga gulay. Para tingnan mo natin isda. Katambaka ba yun? Oh, sorry.
Swaki.
Swaki. So? Ha? Hindi mo maubos. Daghan eh. Ito.
Live?
Hindi, video.
Bulong-bulong.
Pili lang daw. Ulitin.
Lokot. Oh. Ito ay buso.
So kahimong mas hingpit nga masaksi si mong gugma tubangan sa katauhan, kini aming mga ayo, pinagi ni Kristo among Ginoo.
Ngayong hapon. So, kain na tayo ng lunch. We have sugba, matambaka, tilapia, fried, brown rice, corn rice, and lokot, and sausawan. Meron din kaming mangga, and pakwan. Kaon!